They say variety is the spice of life. Well, I'm going to put that to the test. Now, I mentioned previously that my family and I purchased a vacation rental down at Winchester Bay on the Oregon coast. It's an awesome place for running ATVs and side-by-sides, and it also has a great fishing area with the Umpqua River and the bay itself. And that presented a problem when we bought a boat last month, was how to get both of them down to the condo. Over the last week, between sawmilling and working my day job, I spent my evenings and a couple days on the weekend putting together this rack for the back of my truck that'll allow me to haul the side-by-side in the back and still be able to tow my boat. I know most of you guys are here for the sawmilling and stuff like that, the forestry work. But if you're interested in the fabrication at all, let me know in the comments. I've got a bunch of cool tools that I use to make this thing. I only had a week to build it, so I'm not quite finished with it. I want to haul it down the road and see if I need to modify anything before I finish it up, and I'd like to have it powder coated. Part of my finishing process on this is going to be to add some lighting. Stay tuned, guys. I've got something really cool coming from a company called Oxbeam. They got a lot of aftermarket LED stuff that I think is going to be pretty awesome, especially once I get it up here on this rack. Well, stay tuned, guys. This weekend I'm going to go crabbing and try my hand at some salmon fishing, neither of which I've ever done before, so it could be extremely entertaining. Have a good weekend, and thanks for watching.